Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix apps crashing on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hot side power button and click on restart. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on app, back and close. In app, back and close. In app, go back and close. After the process, you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting and click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix app crashing on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.